If you're looking for the best vegan meal delivery service, in this video, I'm going to show you my new vegan meal delivery service hack, which I think is the greatest of all time. So, hey everyone, Veronica here, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you like this video and subscribe for more plant-based and vegan meal prep tips and tricks. But today I'm going to share with you how I have vegan meals delivered to my home from a service that you wouldn't quite expect, but is actually genius because not only can I get vegan frozen meals delivered, which are meals that are ready to reheat and eat, then I can also get other groceries and all kinds of other perks through this service. So the service that I'm sharing with you today is Instacart. I had never really ever explored Instacart until recently, and I can't believe I didn't do this sooner because there's so many benefits to using Instacart for delivery to your home, as well as pickup from the store, and even creating shopping lists for grocery meal planning and budget meal planning. So in this video, I'm showing you right now what it looks like to use the Instacart app to have vegan frozen meals delivered to your home. And I'm also going to share with you how this app makes it so that I can get meals delivered to my home for just about $6.50 on average, as well as have other items delivered and utilize rewards and coupons and all kinds of stuff. So if you've seen any of the other plant-based meal delivery services, those are services basically that prepare food, freeze it, and then send it to you, usually frozen. Sometimes they're meal kits where you actually have to cook the meal, but if they're frozen meals that you have to reheat, my thought is basically, why not just have meals from a local natural grocery store delivered to your home for you? This way, you can actually choose from a variety of brands. You can mix and match. You can choose the meals that you want to eat rather than having meals that you don't maybe want to eat sent to you. Here, I'm going to share with you all of the brands that are available at my local Sprouts Farmers Market store for vegan meals in the freezer section. There's so many different brands that Sprouts offers. And if you don't have a Sprouts near you, it's likely maybe you have a natural grocer's store near you, or maybe even another natural grocery store that sells organic and vegan frozen meals in their freezer section. So I added 14 vegan meals to this shopping list. It came out to about $101 total. Then you're going to see that some discounts that are actually applied for trying out Instacart for 14 days for free. So I'm getting free service delivery for priority fast. I can have these meals even delivered in about an hour possibly, or even by the end of the day or the next day. So in total, my total for 14 meals for this shopping trip right here came out to $95.01. So if you divide that by 14 meals, it's an average of, I said $6.50 earlier, but it's $6.78. So that is amazing because it's way cheaper than ordering from, say, Purple Carrot, who if you order directly from Purple Carrot, you can only get Purple Carrot meals. You can't get your weekly bananas delivered to you and your cilantro and maybe your coleslaw mix. So this is why I think Instacart is the way to go for vegan meal delivery in 2025, because Sprouts even offers Purple Carrot meals. So if you like their meals, you can actually get theirs, plus Forks Over Knives, Dr. Prager's, Dr. McGoogle. So there's so many options with using Instacart for vegan meal delivery. Now I can also use different coupons, and I can connect my rewards cards to this, like my loyalty cards. Sprouts Farmers Market actually has a loyalty loyalty rewards program as well. So that's even another way to have savings. And if you join Instacart Plus, you can get unlimited $0 delivery on fees for groceries, but you can also get 0 restaurant delivery fees. You can get membership perks. You also get a Peacock subscription, a New York Times cooking subscription, and it's just $99 a year after that for those exclusive member deals. And then there's even more deals like with PayPal and MasterCard and Costco. If you sign up, you can get $20 off your Instacart Plus membership with your Costco card, for example. So there's so many rewards to joining Instacart, and using it for vegan meal delivery, I think, is the way to go. And then if you also can refer friends and get money for that. And you can even send Instacart gift cards to people. So if you know someone who might benefit from having meals and groceries delivered to their home, this is actually a great gift. And right now, Instacart is offering $15 off your first Instacart order with my special promo code available in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, so I hope that you like it and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to check out the link in the description below for my affiliate link to Instacart. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.